Okay, can you quickly elaborate about the advantage and disadvantage of this program?
We're starting a teacher training program in the south of Thailand. It's very experimental. We're attempting to run online, blended and online courses with teachers from 3 provinces in the south of Thailand, in Narathiwat, Pattani and Yala. We're not quite sure how it will work. We're going to do some parts face-to-face. We're going to work with partners to take people to Songkla or Hat Yai and offer face-to-face induction, IT training, and initial parts of the course. And then we're planning to send them back where they can follow the interim modules of the courses from a computer. So on the one hand, it's a great opportunity to bring teacher training and teacher development opportunities to people in areas that don't usually have those opportunities. On the other hand, it's fraught with risk in terms of if it will work or not. We're doing everything we can to try and make it work. I think the issues that will make it difficult are issues of IT skill, the unfamiliarity perhaps of the process of the online courses that we're doing, and issues around the conflict in the south of Thailand that I'm not so best placed to talk about. So I think those 3 things make it potentially quite difficult. But I think if we give it a go, if we see if it works, if we learn from our initial experiences, then perhaps it could provide a good model for not necessarily other conflict areas, but other areas that are harder to get to, or where teachers don't have the opportunities that they might do in a city, for example. So if it fails, it fails. But if we get something out of it, if we can find a way to make it work, then great. Let's give it a go. I think there's no points for not trying.
So you haven't been trying this program hasn't been tried in the other part of Thailand?
No, this is the first time we're trying it in Thailand. We've used these courses or similar courses in different countries in different ways. Sometimes, for example, they started off being very popular in parts of Europe where people have good IT connectivity and they're used to online learning from their school and university days. But we've also used these materials quite successfully in other parts of the world. In Malaysia, we've been using these online courses quite successfully in very rural areas of Sabah and Sarawak, and that's been, I think, that's been kind of backed up with a mentor program. So the mentor program built in the face-to-face element. But I think those are the sort of 2 extremes that we've done so far. As far as I know, we haven't tried to use them in an area like the south of Thailand where there's the additional issue of the ongoing conflict.